It's good to know how to maintain your equipment. Part of that maintenance is changing the oil and sharpening things, like in this case a lawnmower blade. And so I just want to show some of you how to do that. This is the way I do it. May not be the best way, but it's one way. So I hope that it's helpful. Whenever we're working on power equipment, we want to make sure that it's safe to work on it. And with a lawnmower, you just simply have to disconnect the spark plug so that it can't start while you're working on it. So you just grab that high tension wire and carefully disconnect it from the spark plug. There's lots of ways to remove a lawnmower blade, but I'm going to show you my way. It's not the best way. It's probably a million other ways, but this is the way I do it. So if this works for you, great. If not, that's great too. As you can see, I've got the blade propped up so that I can have something to turn against. Now, I know my uncle used to use a pipe wrench or a monkey wrench on that, but I find that a block of wood works pretty good. So the blade is going to turn that way as we try to take it off. And of course, since we're doing a video, the block has to pop out. So when it does that, you just improvise. The whole idea is to block the blade so that it won't move, so you'll have something to pry against when you're trying to get the blade off. And if one type doesn't work, then try another one. And of course, the entire time, you first want to have taken the spark plug off, spark plug wire off, so that it doesn't go anywhere. And then the other thing to make careful of is that always act like this is going to spin on you. And if you do, if you keep your hands out of the way of the blade, then you're not going to get hurt. But this is dangerous stuff. It can be. So you need to really be careful, concentrate. And in this case, I'm keeping my hands and my arms clear, so in case that block of wood slips, I'll be okay. So you just loosen that up. And be sure and keep all of your pieces to the mower and any washers or gaskets or anything. Make sure and keep those together so that you know how to put it back on. So there you go.